All right, I'm recording this at market close. It's about 1 p.m. on the West Coast, and I had a pretty good day. Today was the Fed interest rates announcement. So from 11 o'clock when they made the announcement and the market went crazy to roughly around 12 or so, I really wasn't even considering taking any trades. I was 1-0 today, as you can see. I had one break-even trade, break-even plus one tick at the end of the day. I'll show you my live recording after this. It was a good trade. It would have worked. I would have got my most likely 8 ticks. Just it was very late in the day and it was very volatile, and I just got a little nervous at this support that was forming and just decided I'd rather take a break even plus one on that trade than get greedy or stubborn and just stay in the trade when I was feeling uncomfortable about it. More important for me to build the accounts and prove that the strategy is working than to, just get stubborn and have to win or lose late in the day like that. Otherwise, earlier in the day, somewhere around 8:20 or so in the morning, I got a SLO gold trade. It went further than 6 ticks, but I only got 6 ticks from the trade. And here during the news, I skipped one. And then shortly after I started looking, this trade went super fast. I missed it. And then another trade right here occurred while I had stepped away from my computer. And then the trade here that I already spoke about, got a little nervous at the end of the day, had a very large stop, just wasn't worth the risk with, minutes left in the market. Took my break even plus one. I'm happy with the results. You can see here, $159.08 on my PA accounts combined, and a combined $715.86 on my evaluations. The whole point of this is I'm going slow and steady. I'm building accounts. I'm building balances. I'm proving to myself and to you, if anyone's watching, that this strategy works. It works well. Minimal losers. Even this one that made me very nervous at the end of the day had a little bit of a pullback. I had a large stop all the way somewhere up here. Still ended up working, but when you have a feeling about a trade and you're just not comfortable, I think it's better to just get out in those situations, take a break even plus one, rather than, risk, if I let that account, my PA accounts, trace back all the way to my stop, these accounts likely would have got blown on that single trade or close to it. So I don't want to take that chance. I feel good about the day. I was already happy with the profits that I had. And, that's my day. 1-0 with one break even plus one trade. And I'll be back tomorrow. We'll just make a quick lineup of the live action for you to see it right now. Stay tuned. I'm so bad at this YouTube stuff. I gotta get better at this. I'm working on it. Here we go. Okay, I just sat down and see a SLO.
Order submitted.
I may have already missed it, but let's see. I think it's here. 97.25, 6.25. Let's see if this comes back down. I might enter. I may have already. Well, I should be able to still enter. Let's see.
Order filled.
So a late entry, but I had everything looking good for the entry, so I got to take it. I got back to my seat just in time here. Hopefully I'm seeing things clearly because I just sat down and saw it already happened and decided to enter the trade late. Let's see if we can get down here to my 8 tick profit target. My auto stop will move to 6 ticks once it gets to 8. All right, here we go. This is looking good. A few more ticks to go. Almost there, 1 tick away. Now when it does go 7, I consider dropping it back in at break even +1 in case there's a reversal. I'm going to let this play out. It looks like it's going to be good. And there we go. 6 or 8. Yeah.
Order filled.
Got 6. I'll take 6. So that was my gold SLO. This one here was my signal bar. Good way to start the day. I started around almost 7 a.m. and it's 8:30 a.m. right now. And that worked exactly how I like. And you can see here, 6 ticks. And that was my classic gold setup. I'm glad I sat down just in time to still get in, even though I got in late. This was my signal bar here, so I really should have been entering on this bar once it went down the 2 ticks to enter 1 tick below this bar here. I didn't enter until all the way over here, and we got our profit target. I could have easily missed this one. When I sat down, I was looking at it saying, is this my trade? Let me look at everything and make sure it's all there. And I just stayed patient. I turned the recorder on and just took a look at everything to make sure I was seeing everything properly since I had been away. And there you go. It's pulling back. I don't want it to pull back here. It's likely to, though, because this is clearly a consolidation area. Oh, I missed it. Too fast. That was a trade. All right. It went too fast for me. I missed it.
Order canceled.
Sometimes that happens. I was about a millisecond away from dropping it. All right. Well, we saw it. It worked. The low of this bar. So I've been in at 78.50, and we're now at the low here, 74.75. So definitely would have got my 6 or 8 ticks. Market's moving pretty fast. It's a little difficult because I'm looking at 2 screens. Nope. Doesn't fit my rules. Oh, well, I stepped away for a moment and had a trade here. I just got back. Got back 2 minutes too late.
Order
Maybe
submitted.
one late in the day. I was about to stop. This might give me one though. Need a bearish bar.
Order filled.
My stop really should be higher. Big stop. I was going to end my day. I hope I didn't make a mistake here. Let's see if it gives it to me. It should work. I don't like this at all. This is not the plan. I should have stopped when I was done. Let's see. Maybe I'll still work. That's why I give it room. There we go. Trying to stick with it. Trying to stick with it. Trying to stick with it. Taking risk off, just in case.
Order filled.
It's too late in the day. I don't want to risk it. Let's see if it worked. It was just getting a little funky here. Very late. This is later than I want to trade. So I took the risk off. And we just took the one tick. It was a big stop. And I didn't want to risk it at the end of the day on a highly volatile end of day with the Fed announcement. So that was some fun for us. What did it do? It got within 54.50. So it went 6 ticks. It's probably going to still work, but I'm a little risk adverse. Here we go. I'm just curious to see if I would have got my 8 tick or 6 tick scalp here. Let's see. Here it goes. There it goes. 54.50 eyes in, so we need 52.50. I'm pretty sure it's going to get there. All right, here we go. 2 more ticks and I would have got my profit. You can see the low of the candle here. So 52.50 would have locked me in for profit. Here it goes. There it is. All right, it looks like I would have got 8 ticks if I stuck in there. Got a little scared. I won't lie. It was a big stop, and that stop was called for by my strategy. I tend to have large stops. It's just you got to just accept it when you take a trade, And just because of the way the market was reacting and not pushing and getting there, and it being so close to close again, I just, I'll take the break even plus one. I'll take the break even plus one. Here, let's mark it up. It was gold. I did everything right. I should have stuck in it. But again, this is new to me. This is live trading. These are my real accounts. And you saw how large the stop was, and it just wasn't worth it to me this late in the day to just get stubborn and just stick with it when there was clearly a fight being put up. And you saw that it finally did give the push down and give me what would have been 8 ticks. But I'm happy with this. This is good. I got no problem with this. I'm trying to build these accounts. I'm doing this new strategy that I'm documenting online on YouTube. And we're just, my dogs are barking because they got too excited about this. But yeah, I'm just, the strategy is new to me. The YouTube is new to me. And I'd rather just lock in a green day. And the point of this is to just show over time that this strategy just keeps working and it keeps working and it keeps working. And even when it feels like it's not going to work and I got a big stop and I'm getting scared, it worked. It worked again. So there you go.
Order submitted.
As you can see, if I just show you, my entry was here, 54.25, or no, my entry, sorry, is up here, 54.50. And I was going for 8 ticks or 6 ticks, which would have been here. I would have got out 3 bars, 4 bars after I got out.
Order
So
canceled.
the strategy is working. I would have been, what was it? 1, 2. I was 2-0. Well, we'll call it 1 win, 1 break even. That was exciting. An exciting end of the day here. I just want to say as well, now that I've composed myself a little bit after this last trade I took, I'm by no means a professional trader. I'm learning YouTube and the system as I go. This strategy that I've been working on. The strategy is new for a few weeks now. It's working really well, but I'm still. Sometimes I still can't believe it's going to work, even though it works. And I think it's funny how nervous I did get here, just because I think I got nervous, honestly, because my PA accounts are very close to the trailing stop and, liquidation. And my stop was so high on this trade that any kind of retracement, even if it retraced all the way up here, but then ended up working anyway, I likely would have got auto liquidated out of these PA accounts, I think. So, better safe than sorry. But hey, the important thing that I'd like to leave this video with is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades that fit my rules for my strategy all worked today. And I didn't see anything that triggered that would have been a loss if I had taken it. So that's a very good incentive for me to keep going with this, no matter how embarrassing my reaction may have been in here. I'm not sure how embarrassing it is, but I haven't heard it back yet. But inside, to know that the YouTube 8 people that watch this so far, or however many it is, I'm sure you can hear that I got a little nervous in here, and I'm happy to end my day this way. Anyway, I think that's all I have to say for now, and we'll come back more composed in the morning. Do it again. All right, guys. Thanks.